Hey guys, Chris here from SansMinds Magic. Our in-house feature artist, Nicholas Lawrence, brings you simply the best opener to break the ice and open any routine with a deck of cards. An extremely visual and self-working card box vanish. With nothing but a wave of your hand, the card box visually disappears and appears in your pocket, leaving a deck of cards that's ready to kill in your hand. What's a better opener than stunning your spectator with something highly impactful and visual even before your routine?
Watch, I'm just gonna wave my hand over. I can make the box just vanish. I'm just gonna do like this. I don't know why, but I'll just go back to my pocket now.
Start your performance with a bang. This is unboxing.